Adjusting the upper limit on the Somfy battery motor. Move blind to the upper limit. Hold up and down simultaneously on the remote until you get a response. Adjust to new upper limit. Hold the My button on the remote until you get a response.
If we've helped you, please help us by hitting that free subscribe button to find us easier next time. Won't cost you anything, but will most certainly help us a lot. We're not just a YouTube channel, we are real people making real products. Speedy Blinds is a super quick blinds and curtains manufacturer in Melbourne, and we don't muck around. If you're after a Speedy supplier or have any questions, please get in contact with us and we can do our best to help you.